Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of plant-based diets and the misconceptions that often surround them. Many people have heard about the benefits of eating more plants, but there's still a lot of confusion out there. In this video, we'll explore common myths about plant-based eating, from protein concerns to the belief that it's too restrictive. We'll break down these misconceptions and provide you with evidence-based information that will empower you to make informed dietary choices. Get ready to uncover some surprising health facts that might just change the way you think about food. Did you know that a well-planned plant-based diet can not only help with weight management, but also reduce the risk of chronic diseases? We'll share tips on how to incorporate more plant foods into your meals without sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of what a plant-based diet really entails and how it can benefit your health. So stick around as we debunk myths and reveal the truth about plant-based nutrition. Common myths about plant-based diets. When it comes to plant-based diets, several myths can mislead people and prevent them from exploring this nutritious lifestyle. One prevalent misconception is that plant-based diets lack sufficient protein.
Many believe that without meat, they won't get enough protein to support their health. In reality, there are plenty of plant-based sources like lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa that provide ample protein.
Another common myth is that plant-based eating is too restrictive and boring. Some people think they'll be stuck eating salads every day. However, the truth is that a plant-based diet can be incredibly diverse and flavorful, featuring dishes from various cuisines that include everything from hearty stews to delicious smoothies. Lastly, many assume that plant-based diets are only for vegans or vegetarians. In fact, incorporating more plant foods into your diet can benefit anyone, regardless of their primary eating habits. It's all about balance. We encourage you to question these myths and seek out factual information. By doing so, you can make informed choices that align with your health goals and discover the vibrant world of plant-based eating. Nutritional benefits of plant-based diets. Adopting a plant-based diet can offer a wealth of health benefits that contribute to overall well-being. One of the key advantages is the abundance of essential nutrients found in plant foods.
For instance, fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body. Whole grains provide fiber, which is crucial for digestive health and can aid in maintaining a healthy weight.
Research supports the health benefits of plant-based eating. Studies have shown that individuals who follow a plant-based diet have a lower risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. For example, a study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that plant-based diets are associated with a significant reduction in cardiovascular risk factors. Incorporating more plant-based foods into your meals can enhance your dietary choices by promoting better health and vitality. Not only can these foods help you feel more energized, but they can also improve your mood and overall quality of life. By embracing a plant-based approach, you can enjoy delicious meals while reaping the numerous health benefits that come with them.
Choosing a plant-based diet can have a significant positive impact on the environment, primarily by reducing carbon footprints and promoting sustainability. Animal agriculture is one of the leading contributors to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution.
In fact, studies show that livestock production generates more emissions than all the world's cars, planes, and trains combined. By shifting towards plant-based foods, individuals can help mitigate these environmental issues.
Plant-based diets require fewer natural resources, such as land and water, compared to meat and dairy production. For instance, producing a pound of beef requires approximately 1,800 gallons of water, while a pound of lentils only needs about 600 gallons.
This stark difference highlights how plant-based options can lead to more efficient use of our planet's resources. We encourage viewers to consider the environmental benefits of their dietary choices.
By incorporating more plant-based meals into your routine, you're not only making a healthier choice for yourself, but also contributing to a more sustainable future. Every meal is an opportunity to make a positive impact, and together, we can work towards a healthier planet for generations to come.
If you're interested in adopting a plant-based lifestyle, there are several practical steps you can take to make the transition smooth and enjoyable.
Start by gradually incorporating more plant-based foods into your meals. For example, you might begin by designating one day a week as Meatless Monday, where you explore delicious vegetarian or vegan recipes. As you become more comfortable, you can increase the number of plant-based meals you enjoy each week.
To help you along the way, consider exploring resources like cookbooks or websites dedicated to plant-based cooking. Some popular options include Forks Over Knives and Plenty by Yotam Ottolenghi, which offer a variety of flavorful recipes that highlight the versatility of plant-based ingredients.
Don't be afraid to experiment with different plant-based foods and cuisines. Try incorporating legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds into your dishes, and explore international cuisines that naturally emphasize plant-based ingredients, such as Indian, Mediterranean, or Thai.
Remember, transitioning to a plant-based diet is a journey, not a race. Enjoy the process of discovering new flavors and meals that nourish your body and align with your values. In today's video, we explored the fascinating world of plant-based diets and debunked some common misconceptions surrounding them. We discussed the numerous health benefits associated with adopting a plant-based lifestyle, including essential nutrients that promote overall well-being and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, we highlighted the positive environmental impact of choosing plant-based foods, emphasizing how these choices can contribute to a more sustainable future. As you consider transitioning to a plant-based diet, remember to take it one step at a time and explore the diverse range of delicious meals available. We hope you found this information valuable and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might be interested in learning more about plant-based eating. Your support helps us create more engaging content for you. Don't forget to check out our related videos and resources for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.